Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best light bulbs for refrigerators in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Vgogfly LED Refrigerator Light Bulb. Vgogfly became a bulb manufacturer out of necessity. It identified the daily life problems with the normal bulbs and addressed them while developing new products. Hence its products are durable and easy to use. This refrigerator light bulb is waterproof. This 5W LED bulb can perform equally with a 40W bulb. It has a good brightness of 550 lumens and lights up a wider area. The color temperature offered by this bulb is about 5000 K, which falls in the range of daylight white. As a result, it offers a brighter illumination of the storage area. It can reproduce the true colors of the stored items due to the Color Rendering Index (CRI) rating of 80 RA. The bulb is made up of plastic material and can withstand moisture attacks. It can easily run with a 120V power supply. The base of the bulb is a standard E26 base that helps in easy installation in any standard socket. The A15 bulb size offers a 360-degree beam angle. It can sustain temperatures ranging from 20 to 40 degrees Celsius without giving up. Number 2. Our second best pick is Acaxin LED Refrigerator Light Bulb. It has a wider angle of lighting solution products. It focuses on adopting new technologies to keep up with the changing demands of consumers. This LED refrigerator light bulb is rated as IP54 waterproof. This bulb can produce a daylight white light with a color temperature of 5000 K. Being an A15 size bulb, it is quite small and can be installed easily. The base of the bulb is a standard E26 screw that can fit in a standard 120V power socket. With a brightness of 400 lumens and a beam angle of 270 degrees, it can easily light up a wider area. With a CRI rating of 80 RA, the items do not lose their true colors under the light. Even though this bulb runs on 4W power, it delivers work equivalent to a 40W incandescent bulb. The LED bulb does not flicker under the uneven power supply and saves itself from getting damaged. It can easily work in temperatures from 20 to 45 degrees Celsius. Hence it is suitable for storage as well as the freezer section of a refrigerator. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sunlite Refrigerator Light Bulb. Sunlite is one of the older brands that offers lighting solutions. Using 40+ years of experience, it has been constantly developing affordable products for the market. The brand offers a wider range of products to choose from. This LED refrigerator light bulb is one of the most affordable bulbs on the list. It is a 5W bulb that uses power equivalent to a 40W light bulb. The size of the light bulb is standard A15 and hence can be installed anywhere in the refrigerator. To plug the bulb in a 120V power socket, it has a standard E26 base. The light is made up of plastic and the base is made up of aluminum. The brightness of the bulb can go up to 450 lumens. With a wider beam angle of 220 degrees, it can light up a significant area. It produces a warm white shade of light with a color temperature of 2700 K. The Color Rendering Index of 80 RA helps in maintaining the colors of the illuminated items. It is UL listed for damp applications and supports dimming features. For the durability part, the bulb can work for 25,000 hours before a replacement is needed. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is LOHAS LED Refrigerator Light Bulb. The brand was aware of the advantages of LED bulbs over regular bulbs and hence developed an efficient product lineup. It offers durable lighting products at more convenience to consumers. This refrigerator light bulb is non-dimmable. It is rated as IP27 waterproof and can be used for damp applications. The shape of the bulb is A15, which offers a 240-degree beam angle. This helps in lighting a wider area of the refrigerator. The bulb has an E26 base screw that can be plugged into a standard 120V AC power socket. Made up of plastic and aluminum combinations, the bulb does not emit any heat, keeping the surrounding temperature low. It can work in a temperature range of 20 to 50 degrees Celsius. With a brightness of 500 lumens and a CRI rating of 80 RA, the true color of the lit area remains unaffected. A 40W bulb can be replaced with this 5W bulb for saving total electricity consumption. When switched on, the bulb instantly illuminates the space with a daylight white shade. The color temperature of over 5000 K is comfortable for the eyes and creates an energetic effect. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Lepro Refrigerator Light Bulb. This is one of the most reliable brands out there. It guarantees constant quality in its products. Combining this high quality with a good price tag automatically grabs the attention of its customers. This refrigerator light bulb is an LED bulb. It is a 5W bulb capable of performing equal to a 40W bulb. This ability helps in saving the overall energy consumption. It makes sure to light up every corner of the refrigerator with 450 lumens of brightness. The light produced has a daylight white shade and a color temperature of 5000 K. Paired with this, a CRI rating of above 80 RA helps in keeping the natural color under artificial lighting. The shape of the bulb is A15, which can easily fit in compact spaces. The E26 base can be screwed into a 120V power outlet. It can easily withstand lower temperatures and can work between the 20 to 40 degree range. It is designed to last for over 15,000 hours of work even in moisture-rich conditions. The bulbs run without flickering under an uneven power supply. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.